Are you constantly battling a sense of not enough? Do you feel stuck, limited, and that true abundance is just out of reach? What if I told you that you possess the power to unlock infinite possibilities and effortlessly attract everything you desire? Today, on Kuvox Shift, we're revealing the ultimate abundance mindset shift and powerful law of attraction hacks that will catapult you from scarcity to a life overflowing with unlimited abundance. Welcome, beautiful souls, to Kuvox Shift and another powerful episode in our Awaken Your Inner Creator series. I'm your host, Sukhmander, and today we're diving deep into a topic that can fundamentally transform your reality: the abundance mindset shift. If you've ever felt stuck, limited, or constantly battling a sense of not enough, this episode is for you. We're going to explore how to transition from a scarcity mindset to one of infinite possibilities, armed with powerful law of attraction hacks. Get ready to unlock a life of true abundance. The scarcity trap, understanding where we get stuck. Let's be honest, most of us are wired for scarcity. From a young age, we're taught to compete, to hoard, to fear loss. This scarcity mentality is deeply ingrained in our collective consciousness. Think about it. There's not enough money to go around. All the good opportunities are taken. I'll never find true love. I don't have enough time. These are not just thoughts. They are limiting beliefs that act as invisible walls, blocking the flow of abundance into our lives. When you operate from a scarcity mindset, your brain is constantly scanning for what's missing, for potential threats, for reasons why you can't have what you desire. This creates a powerful negative feedback loop, attracting more of what you don't want. It's a self-fulfilling prophecy of lack. One is abundance, really, beyond money and material things. Now, when I say abundance, what comes to mind? For many, it's stacks of money, fancy cars, a huge house. And yes, financial abundance is certainly a part of it. But true abundance is so much more profound. It's an all-encompassing state of well-being, a feeling of richness in every aspect of your life. Abundance is financial freedom, an effortless flow of money, vibrant health and energy, loving, supportive relationships, purposeful work that brings you joy and fulfillment, ample time for leisure, creativity, and self-care, a deep sense of inner peace and gratitude, the feeling of being connected to something larger than yourself. It's the realization that the universe is inherently abundant, constantly expanding, and that there is more than enough for everyone. When you truly grasp this, you move from a competitive mindset to a collaborative one, from a fearful state to one of trust and surrender. It's about recognizing the infinite possibilities that exist for you, regardless of your current circumstances. This understanding is the cornerstone of the abundance mindset shift. It's not just about getting more, it's about being more and seeing more. The law of attraction, your abundance amplifier. So, how do we move from the scarcity trap to a life overflowing with abundance? This is where the law of attraction becomes your most powerful tool. For those new to the concept, the law of attraction states that like attracts like. Your thoughts, feelings, and beliefs are vibrational frequencies, and they attract experiences that match those frequencies. If you constantly focus on lack, you attract more lack. If you focus on abundance, you attract more abundance. It's a universal law, as constant and reliable as gravity. The universe doesn't hear your words. It responds to your dominant vibration. This is why a mindset shift is so critical. You can't just say you want abundance if your underlying beliefs are rooted in scarcity. You need to align your inner world with your desired outer reality. The law of attraction isn't magic. It's a profound principle of energy. Every thought you think and every emotion you feel is broadcasting a signal to the universe. When you cultivate an abundance mindset, you're deliberately sending out a high-frequency signal of prosperity, joy, and limitless potential. This signal then magnetizes corresponding experiences back to you. It's like tuning into a radio station. If you want to hear jazz, you tune into the jazz station, not the rock station. Similarly, if you want to experience abundance, you must tune your internal frequency to match that of abundance. Practical hacks for cultivating an abundance mindset. All right, let's get into the actionable strategies, the abundance mindset hacks that'll help you make this crucial shift. This isn't just about positive thinking, it's about rewiring your brain and creating new neural pathways. Hack 1: Daily Gratitude Practice, the Abundance Multiplier. This is non negotiable. Gratitude is the fastest way to shift your vibration from lack to abundance. When you appreciate what you have, you open the floodgates for more to flow in. Actionable tip: start and end your day by listing at least 5 things you are genuinely grateful for. Be specific. Don't just say, I'm grateful for my health. Say, I'm grateful for the strong energy I feel after my morning walk and how my body allows me to move freely. Hack 2: Visualization, your future reality now. Your subconscious mind doesn't distinguish between what's real and what's vividly imagined. Use this to your advantage. Actionable tip: create a detailed mental movie of yourself living in abundance. See yourself with the financial freedom, the loving relationships, the vibrant health. Feel the emotions of joy, peace, and fulfillment. Do this for 5 to 10 minutes daily. Hack 3: Affirmations, rewiring your subconscious. Affirmations are powerful statements you repeat to yourself to reprogram limiting beliefs. Actionable tip: create affirmations that resonate with you and address your specific scarcity beliefs. Examples: I'm a magnet for money. Opportunities flow to me effortlessly. I'm worthy of all the good life has to offer. Say them with conviction, ideally in front of a mirror. Hack 4: Declutter and create space. Energetic flow. Clutter in your environment mirrors clutter in your mind and blocks energy flow. Actionable tip: declutter your home, your workspace, even your digital life. Get rid of anything that doesn't serve you or bring you joy. This creates energetic space for new abundance to enter. Hack 5: Giving and receiving. The universal flow of abundance. The universe operates on a principle of giving and receiving. To receive more, you must also give. This isn't just about money. It's about giving your time, your kindness, your skills. Actionable tip: find ways to give without expectation of return. Volunteer, share your knowledge, offer a genuine compliment. Notice how this opens you up to receiving. Hack 6: surround yourself with abundance. Environment matters. Your environment and the people you surround yourself with significantly impact your mindset. Actionable tip: seek out positive, inspiring people who embody an abundance mindset. Limit exposure to negativity, scarcity talk, and news that drains your energy. Read books, listen to podcasts like this one, and watch content that uplifts and expands your view of what's possible. Hack 7: act as if, embodying your future self. This is about embodying the person you want to become, the person who already has the abundance you desire. Actionable tip: how would the abundant version of you think, speak, and act? Start incorporating those behaviors today. Dress a little nicer, walk with more confidence, speak with more certainty. This sends a powerful signal to the universe. Hack 8: celebrate small wins, momentum building. Don't wait for the big manifestations to celebrate. Acknowledge every small shift, every little win. Actionable tip: keep an abundance journal where you jot down every instance of abundance you notice, no matter how small. A parking spot opening up, a kind word from a stranger, an unexpected discount. This trains your brain to see abundance everywhere. Hack 9: practice detachment. This is often the hardest part. Once you've set your intention, visualize, and affirm, You must release the how and when. Obsessing over it creates resistance. Actionable tip: trust that the universe is working on your behalf. Focus on maintaining your high vibration and taking inspired action, but let go of the need to control the outcome. Surrender to the process. Hack 10. Learn and grow, expanding your capacity for abundance. The more you learn and grow, the more capacity you create for abundance. Actionable tip: invest in yourself. Read books, take courses, attend workshops that expand your knowledge and skills, especially in areas related to personal growth, finance, or anything that supports your vision of abundance. As you embark on this abundance mindset shift, you will encounter resistance. Those deeply ingrained scarcity beliefs won't just disappear overnight. They might pop up as self-doubt, fear, or a voice telling you it's too good to be true. When this happens, acknowledge the thought, but don't dwell on it. Gently reframe it. Instead of "I can't afford that," try "How can I afford that?" or "Money flows to me easily." Question the origin of these beliefs. Are they truly yours, or were they inherited? Understand that these are just old programs running. You have the power to delete them and install new, empowering ones. Persistence and consistency are key. This is a journey, not a destination. Every time you choose an abundance-focused thought over a scarcity-focused one, you strengthen your new mindset. Wow, we've covered a lot today on transforming your life through the abundance mindset shift. Let's quickly recap the key takeaways. We started by understanding the scarcity trap, those limiting beliefs that keep us focused on lack and block our abundance flow. We redefined abundance as far more than just money, encompassing health, relationships, purpose, time, and inner peace. We explored the law of attraction as your powerful amplifier for attracting what you desire by aligning your vibration. And we armed you with 10 practical abundance mindset hacks: daily gratitude practice, visualization, affirmations, declutter and create space, giving and receiving, surround yourself with abundance, act as if, celebrate small wins, practice detachment, learn and grow. Remember, this is a continuous journey of mindset transformation. Be patient with yourself, celebrate every step, and trust in the infinite possibilities that await you. Your inner creator is powerful, and it's time to awaken it to a life of true abundance. Thank you for joining me on Kuvox Shift today. If this episode resonated with you, please hit that like button, share it with someone who needs to hear this message, and subscribe to Kuvox Shift for more content in our Awaken Your Inner Creator series. I'd love to hear your experiences with the abundance mindset in the comments below. Until next time, keep shifting, keep creating, and keep attracting infinite abundance into your life.